Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to take a look into how we can create a brand new AWS account. And now this video is going to be a part of a bigger AWS playlist wherein I am going to explain each and every concept related to the AWS cloud platform, learn about its various services and all. So if you have not already done it, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can be continuously updated about the new videos that are getting uploaded to this channel. So let's get started real quick. So to create a brand new AWS account, all you just need to do is go to google.com, type in AWS. The first link, aws.amazon.com, is the official link of Amazon Web Services. So I'm just going to click that. On the home screen, you will find create a free account button here. So just click on that. Once you do that, the system is going to ask you for your email address and choose an account name for your AWS account. So I'm just going to quickly do that. Okay, once you have done that, in the next step, the system is going to send a verification code to your email address. So just check your email so that you can get the verification code. In my case, the verification code is 517013. Okay, once I've verified my email address, the system is going to ask to create a strong password for your root user account. Now, it is very important that you choose a very secure password for your root user account because lot depends on this account actually, as you will learn further. So do choose a very strong password combination, alphanumeric characters and also for your root user account. So I'm just going to do that real quick. Once you have done that, in the next step, the system is going to ask you for your details, for your contact information. So the first step is to choose that how do we plan to use this AWS account? Is it for our business or is it for our personal purpose? So I'll just quickly choose personal. Now I have to enter my full name here, my phone number, okay, so my country, okay. Once you have filled in the details, move into the next step in which you need to enter your billing information. Now this information is regarding your credit or debit card number, and AWS is going to temporarily charge you for about $1 to verify the identity of your account. Okay, once you have completed the billing step, in the next screen, it is going to ask for your identity. So you can just choose whatever you think fit here. Okay. Now it is going to ask for a couple of details to verify your identity. Like in my case, it is asking for my PAN card detail, or it can be any such identity document over here. So I'm just going to quickly enter these details here. Okay, in the next step, it is going to ask for confirming your identity, okay, using your phone number. So you just need to enter your mobile details, your phone number details, so that AWS can send a quick verification message for verification here. In the next step, you just have to enter the verification code that you have received in your mobile phone. So I'll just quickly enter that. And we are about done. So in this step, we just have to choose a support plan for our AWS account. So since we are starting with an individual account here, so I'll go ahead with the basic support free plan. Okay, but if you are a business or you need more detailed support, you can choose any other option, but I will suggest that you choose this option here to start with. And finally, I'll press the complete sign up button. And congratulations, your AWS account is now created, and you can use this account to sign into your AWS account. So I'll just quickly go to the AWS management console here, press on sign into the console. And cool, I am signed into my account now, which you can see over here, Sumita's AWS account. So in the next video, we are going to check in more details related to the AWS console. We are going to learn about the different options in the console, get to know the console better. So look out for my next video in the same playlist. So thank you very much.